Welcome, today we're gonna do a V-cut and we're gonna make it clipper over comb. We are gonna start the haircut, we're gonna use a comb as wide as the clipper's blade. We're gonna use number 1 with an open blade and we're gonna cut clipper over comb in a 45 angle degree. In some areas also you can cut in a vertical position. In this area we can comb the hair with the cloth to grab the hair easier. After making the blend clipper over comb on the top, we're gonna use number 1.5 and we're gonna use the border of the guard. We are using the clipper in a diagonal position to avoid making lines. We are doing the blend without making lines. On the back, we comb the hair to the left and we cut with the clipper to the right. We decide to use number 3 to blend this light a bit more. Use number 1 with an open blade, use the border of the guard and we're gonna go from left to right, only clearing the darker areas. We're gonna use it a bit lower than we use the 1.5. Use number 1 with a closed blade and use it a bit lower than we use it with the open blade. Continue with the neck area clipper over comb. We are setting the area to start making the edge. We're gonna use the trimmer to start making the outline. We're gonna make the outline in a V shape without going too high. Make the edge on the ear area and use the border of the blade of the trimmer. Make the connection of the outline on the neck area and the back. We use the 1.5 to clear this area a bit more. Then we use number 1 with an open blade and we use it a bit lower than we use the 1.5. We are gonna shave the outline. We're gonna use the straight razor and the shaving cream. Be careful in this sensitive area. Comb the hair of the sideburn to the left and cut with the trimmer. We're gonna shave the edges of the sideburn. We're gonna use the straight razor and we're gonna use the border of the blade. We use the 1/2 or 0.5 to clear the sideburn area. Continue with the right side. We're gonna continue cutting clipper over comb in a 45 angle degree using the number 1 with an open blade. Also, we can cut in a vertical position depending on the length of the hair. We're gonna use the 1.5, we're gonna use the border of the guard, and we're gonna cut in a diagonal position to avoid making lines. We decided to use number 3 to clear this area. Use number 1 with an open blade and continue using the border of the guard. We're gonna use it a bit lower than we used the 1.5, and we're gonna continue cutting in a diagonal position to avoid making lines. We are doing the blend without making lines. We are using the border of the guard. Use number 1 with a closed blade and use it a bit lower than we use number 1 with an open blade. Comb the hair on the sideburn to the right and cut it with the trimmer. Make the edge on the sideburn area and continue using the border of the blade of the trimmer. Shave the outline on the neck area with the straight razor. Only open away, the rest shave it going down. We make the sideburn area shorter, we use the 0.5 or 1/2. The top, we're gonna do it with scissors. We're gonna use 3 fingers touching the scalp, and we're gonna use the point cutting technique. We're gonna cut in a 90-degree angle in a horizontal position. Connect the guideline we did in the middle with the left side. Then connect the guideline on the middle with the right side. Make the connection on the third lateral section. Connect the guideline with the clipper over comb with the hair we cut on top on the right side. Also make the connection on the left side. Also connect the front with both sides. We are gonna texturize the hair. We're gonna use the texturizing scissors. We're gonna use 2 fingers touching the scalp, and we're gonna make 2 cuts going up. The sides with texturizer scissor over comb. Also, we shave the edge of the beard. We start shaving the beard with the grain. Remove the cream so we can see easier the line. Also, we shave against the grain. On the neck area, we shave with the grain to avoid irritation and ingrown hairs. In this case, we use pomade with a medium hold and shine. This is the final results. This was a V-cut clipper over comb without making lines. I hope you liked my video. If you like it, share it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. These are some of my previous videos. I invite you to watch them, and if you like them, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe.